hit by a fly.
Alright guys, or whoever is watching, just wanted to check in. We spent about an hour at the hole and it was absolutely amazing. You couldn't wipe a smile off my face. This place is incredible. There is no words to really describe it. I'll show you guys in a second what we're working with, but right now we just had some lunch. I'll show you what we got.
I should have left it out.
Bacon, turkey, lettuce wrap with chipotle mayo. Nothing wrong with a high noon. Sun's out. Oh, it's a beautiful day over here on the East Coast. Let me just show you what we're working with. This is not the main attraction. Is it focused? No. This is not the main attraction, but just to give you an idea, this is right outside the parking lot here. I mean, look at this, guys. Beautiful, beautiful moss and colors. I am on manual focus, so please give me a break here while I get destroyed by mosquitoes. Alright, here we go. So as you can see, it is just top tier here. Absolutely incredible. I'm gonna get a better view of this water. I mean, this is top tier New York Upstate living. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna grab that. I can't stress enough how much it really means to us to not leave your garbage when you come here. So, please, whatever you bring in, please take out. But yeah, this is what we're working with. Like I said, this is not the main attraction at all, but this is just some of the natural beauty we got going here. There's mosquitoes absolutely in my eyes right now, but I mean, you can just see the absolute depth of this place. So yeah, we're gonna finish eating lunch, and the main attraction, I'm not gonna lie, is it's really crowded. If you know, I'm gonna tell you guys where it is. It's maybe later in the video for those who actually care. But the main attraction's already crowded. You do need a permit to get in here, but it is worth it. And there are, like I said, like you could swim in that, and that's a totally, nobody's even there right now, you know. The lot's full already. There's 3 lots, but
My belly's full.
bellies are getting full as I just burped. But yeah, we're gonna show you guys a little hole that nobody's at, and then we'll show you the main hole. From this lot, it's about like 5 minutes, 10-minute walk. It is absolutely stunningly beautiful though. I mean, look at that. And my girlfriend is looking great too.
Come.
I just want to reiterate, so there's an entire creek here technically that is able to be used as, or for swimming or hiking. Like, you could set up anywhere on this creek, but there's, I would say, 3 main swimming areas. there's one at the main parking
Well,
lot.
there's one main swimming area.
No, technically, but you could swim at 3.
Yeah.
And there's one waterfall, which we're gonna get to. But this camera's heavy. My arms are already tired. It's been like 20 seconds. Maybe that's why guys use like the really thin ones. In my opinion, it's better to be by the less crowded one, right?
Yeah. I don't know, there was just way too many people at the other one.
Yeah, it's a little
It
crowded,
was
but
a little chaotic. Not very enjoyable, but like...
yeah, people were playing music and drinking. They say no alcohol. You know, no glass
No
bottles, no
music.
music.
But nobody listens.
Nobody listens, so it is what it is. You gotta wait for the park rangers to come by and do their thing, which, you know, we're fully behind. We don't want any hooligans over here ruining the spot.
Oh, wait, okay!
Yeah, this place is a gem, and this place is not a hidden gem by any means. I'm not the one that's gonna be blowing up the spot, so to say, you know. I'm not, you know, I don't even expect this video to get 200 views, so. But what I'm saying is, it's a very known spot, so don't come at me for name dropping it at the end, for the ones that actually care. And take your litter, and I mean, what you bring in, make sure you take out if you do come, because that's a big issue. And have respect for not only the nature but the locals. You know, it's sad what happens when people take advantage of spots and they don't treat it the right way. It really is, because some of these places get taken advantage of, and you know what? There are some secret spots that I'm never gonna know about, which I'm glad I won't, because there are people that live here that deserve to have those secret spots that don't get blown up. Because unfortunately, you do have social media, hypocritical. I'm doing the same thing, but like I said, this is already a blown up spot, so I really don't see any reason why I can't make this little dumb video. But it's more for our memory. It's more for our memories than anything. But
some fun times.
I ended up grabbing the bag off Christina if anyone wanted to get angry with me.
Only thing I'm carrying is the water bottle.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Come.
I don't know if you guys could hear the birds, but there's a slight...
Tweeka, tweeka.
I don't know if they sound like that,
I
but
don't know, but...
there's a slight sound
Oh, check this flower out, dude.
from the water.
Look at that.
And the birds. And now we have Christina pointing out a wild flower that we don't know the species of. If anyone would like to help out and find out what beautiful flower this is, please tell me. We are in the Northeast region. We're walking up to the second swimming area. You don't want to trip here. It's pretty high gradient. Natural stairs. Here we are. And I kid you not, when we came over here before, there was nobody here. Not a single soul. Put our stuff down. I don't want to blatantly record anybody and make them feel uncomfortable here. But here we are. You can see this incredible trees and just absolute natural beauty. Blue, crystal blue water. Absolutely stunning. But yeah, we were here about an hour ago before we went to the main hole, which is like a half mile that way. And like we shit you not, there was like literally nobody here. We could have had this whole place to ourselves. But you know, there's no problem with sharing it. But we're just telling you guys it's a random Sunday, so it's still totally worth it. It's totally worth it to come. But yeah, look at that beautiful water.
What's worse, that or the icy plunge?
That's definitely close to the cold plunge. Babe, you gotta take it home, dude. It makes you feel alive.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how cold is it?
10 being like the winter surf with no wetsuit.
Okay.
Like this is like a 6.
This is like, I could comfortably
This is
be
like a
in my
5.
3-2 right now, but my feet would still be freezing.
This is like a 5, yeah. It's cold. It's definitely
Yeah, it's
not
definitely
like
cold.
definitely not cold. Oh, the lens has got some smudges.
Not for me.
I mean, come on. It is cold though. It's definitely not warm. Wait, ow. And the mosquitoes / horseflies will definitely get you. I already got water on the camera. Check that out. Check that out, guys and friends. This place is absolutely insane. What? I got hit by a fly. There's 2 other people here.
Yeah.
So, and it's a random Sunday. Like I said, you do need a parking permit, but that's how they keep it. That's how they keep it, you know. That's how they keep it. What's the word I'm looking for? They keep it from getting run down by, you know, people that wouldn't normally care about the place. It's just a good way to covet it and not gatekeep it, because it's on the website. I mean, anyone can find this place, but like a way to just make sure that you're not gonna half-ass it when you come here. You know, there's rules, there's regulations. The rangers will give you tickets, so But yeah, not bad for 2 hours from New York City. The flies hurt though. I'm getting absolutely lit up. That part is that's not that great. But hey, listen, everyone's got to get fed. I don't mind being used. It's recording. Is it? It's blinking red.
It's literally freezing. The struggle.
So easy to fall. Alright, we're getting out of that spot. We're going to show you the main attraction where there's a lot of crowds and, you know, some people aren't as respectful as you'd like them to be, but, you know, there's hidden gems all over. So if you're the type that wants to be alone, great spots like that one and all over the creek. So we're going to show you this next one, which is arguably the best one, the most, it's probably the most, it is the most naturally beautiful. How do you say this correctly? It's the prettiest, arguably. So we'll get right to that. And if you want to get it early in the morning, that's probably the best if you're concerned with, you know, the crowds and stuff. But all right, we'll be right back. Just want to point out, they will be checking permits. We literally just got stopped and he was like, yeah, I remember you guys. But yeah, so don't expect to come here and freeload it unless it's from 9 to 4. They only work from 9 to 4. So if you want to
Sunrise and sunset, it's open to the
Yep, sunrise and sunset, it's kind of a free-for-all, but here we go. Do the spin around. So everyone here currently does have a permit to be enjoying Pika Moose Blue Hole, excuse me. We're gonna head up to this waterfall. The camera is literally about to die, but don't worry, if it does, I got iPhone clips of it. Oy. Got some green loaded up. Yeah, let's head into the jungle, into the forest. Another one of those spots where if you do want to get it alone, you're gonna have to come early. Check that out. I know.